Hey friends, welcome back to this English learning video. My name is Daniel, and today we're going to learn something very important. How to talk about yourself in English. You know, when you meet someone new, maybe in class at work, and are online, the first thing people want to know is who you are. And if you can introduce yourself clearly in English, you'll feel more confident and make a great first impression. So stay with me till the end because at the end of this video, I'll show you a full example of how to introduce yourself naturally in English. Step 1. Start with your name. Let's begin with something simple. Your name. When you meet someone, you can say, "Hi, I'm Daniel." "Hello, my name is Daniel." Both are correct and friendly. You can also add, "Hi, I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you." That's a polite and warm way to start. Step 2. Talk about where you are from. People often ask, "Where are you from?" You can answer like this. "I'm from India." "I'm from Japan." "I come from a small town near Delhi." If you live somewhere else, say, "I'm from India, but I live in Canada." Simple, short, and clear. Step 3. Talk about your age. You can also mention your age if you want. For example, "I'm 20 years old." "I'm 16. Or keep it general. "I'm in my 20s. Remember, it's okay to skip this part if you prefer. Step 4. Talk about what you do. Now tell people what you do, your study or job. If you're a student, "I'm a student. I study English and computer science." If you work, "I work as a teacher. I'm a designer at a software company." You can also add, "I've been working there for 2 years." That makes your answer sound more complete. Step 5. Talk about your family. You can also share a little about your family. For example, "There are 5 people in my family. My parents, my 2 sisters, and me. My father is a doctor, and my mother is a teacher. I have 1 younger brother." Keep it short and natural. Step 6. Talk about your hobbies. Now let's make it interesting. Talk about your hobbies. You can say, "In my free time, I like reading books and watching movies. I enjoy cooking and listening to music. I love playing football with my friends." This helps others know more about your personality. Step 7. Talk about your goals. You can also talk about your goals or dreams. For example, "My goal is to become a fluent English speaker. I want to travel around the world. My dream is to be a doctor." Talking about your goals shows you are confident and motivated. Step 8. End your introduction. Finally, end your introduction politely. You can say, "That's a little about me. It was nice talking with you. Thank you for listening." That makes your introduction sound complete. Now let me show you a short example using everything we've learned. "Hi, I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you. I'm from Canada, and I'm 25 years old. I work as an English teacher, and I've been teaching for 3 years. There are 4 people in my family. My parents, my younger brother, and me. In my free time, I enjoy reading books and going for walks in the park. My goal is to help more people speak English confidently. That's a little about me. Thank you." See? That's how easy it is to talk about yourself in English. And that's it, my friends. Now you know exactly how to introduce yourself in English, step by step. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Keep practicing, keep learning, and always believe in yourself. See you in the next video.